What if you never slept again? No naps, no bedtime, no snooze buttons, just 24 hours of non-stop wakefulness for the rest of your life. Would you become a super productive genius? Or would your brain slowly melt into mashed potatoes? Let's stay wide awake and find out. First 24 hours. At first, nothing crazy happens. You're just a little more tired than usual. Your eyes feel dry. Your mind is foggy. You might forget why you walked into the kitchen. Again. But hey, coffee exists, and you're still functioning, mostly. Fun fact, just one night of missed sleep equals similar to being legally drunk. Yes, really. Day 2 to 3. Now it gets interesting. After 48 to 72 hours with no sleep, your body starts breaking rules. You'll start seeing things that aren't there. Hello, shadow monsters. You might hear your toaster talking to you. Your brain starts creating random dreams while you're awake. This is called microsleep. Your brain literally takes mini naps without your permission. Your heart and body revolt. No sleep equals major drama for your body. Your heart rate goes up, blood pressure spikes, and your immune system basically says, I'm out. You're now more likely to catch a cold or forget your own birthday. Oh, and you're probably snapping at everyone for no reason. Mood swings? 100%. What happens after 7 days? By now, you're a zombie. Your memory is garbage. You're confused. You might even believe you're inside a video game. In fact, the world record for staying awake is 11 days, set by a high school kid in the 1960s. Don't try this at home. He experienced paranoia, hallucinations, and couldn't speak properly by day 10. Sleep is not optional. It's biological. Can you die from no sleep? Yes. Well, kind of. There's a rare disorder called fatal familial insomnia, where people literally lose the ability to sleep. And after a few months, they die. In rats, total sleep deprivation causes death in about 2 weeks. So yeah, your body takes sleep very seriously. It's like oxygen for your brain. What if you could function without sleep? Okay, let's flip it. What if science made it possible to never sleep? Without consequences. You'd have 8 extra hours a day. That's 56 extra hours a week. You could master 10 hobbies, start a business, binge every Netflix show ever. But here's the twist. Your brain uses sleep to clean itself, to remove toxins, to lock in memories. No artificial hack can replace that, yet. So, what if you never slept again? You'd gain time, but lose your mind. In the end, sleep isn't a weakness. It's your body's superpower, healing you, refreshing you, and letting you dream up worlds that don't exist. So tonight, when you hit the pillow, be grateful your brain has a magical off switch. Sweet dreams, sleeper. What should we explore next? What if Earth had 2 moons? Or what if nobody ever lied? Comment your wildest what if below. We might just turn it into our next episode.